Normally, when you take your paper in the section B, fourth question is you have to develop a web page. So they will give you a structure here, like they will give you a wireframe. Yeah, this is the wireframe. Okay. And they will give us the web design style guide also. Then they are giving, so how the web design should be, they are giving the guidelines here. So here, you have to save this HTML as Q0 for finished HTML, and the CSS, you have to save it as Q0 for finished CSS. Okay, so we'll see how we can do this uh, this web page. Okay, so this is in June 2019, question number 4. So what we do is, normally when you go for the exam, there is a folder with files. You see, data files are there. So normally this web design question comes in the Q04. So here only the data files for these questions will be, data files related to the question number 4 will be here, right? When you click the asset folder, you see you can have some information here, images folder. You see, now there are images here. You see banner image 1, 2, 3, like that, there are images. And you have some background text here. So these are the things we are going to use in our web page now. Okay. So to start up with this one, how to start when you go for the exam. So you can see these folders. Now here Q04, here only I have to do it. So Q04, you see there, you see image area. These are the images. You have to put it in this place. And here you have the banner and the text area, right? So here they are giving all the web design guidelines are here. So to start up this one, normally what you do is, so you open the VS Code. So you open the VS Code. So file, open folder. In the desktop AS2000, I'll open my select folder and I'll open the Q04 folder. Okay, here now what I have to do is, when you click here, so here I have to create 2 files. So that is Q04 finished .html, and I have to create another file Q04 finished .css file. Okay, I have to create 2 files. So then when you go to this folder here, you can see those files are here. Okay, so this is the files here, right? So what we do is, right. So now for the easy purpose, what I do is I split here, then I split here. Okay, so here I will have the HTML coding here, and I will have the CSS file here. Okay, so then easy for me to code this question. Okay, right. So here, right. So what I do is, normally when you have question like this, okay, let me open the question again. So how to start up with this question? So first of all, you have to open the HTML file. Here is the, so here the HTML file. So 1 minute, there's an issue, right? Split. Okay, Q04 finished HT here. I will open the CSS here. Okay, here HTML file and here CSS file. I'll open. Okay, so right. So in the HTML file, now what you do is, so we will write the first initial code. Say, normally it is a doc type HTML. And ending with HTML. So that is then you have head tag. You have the head tag, and you will have the body tag. This is the HTML structure. First, you have to put it. Okay, right. So then here, this is the head tag and the body tag. Right. So now inside the head tag, okay. So now read the question here. So character set must be UTF-8. Character set must be UTF-8. So then we have to handle this one here. So character set must be UTF-8. So how do I give a character set? So then you have to say the command for that one. So meta, if you meta char set. Okay, this command you should remember to get the character set. Right, then that part is done. Okay, so control. So then that part is done. Right. So then next part is uh, search engines. Search engine should be able to show a description of the site. Search engine should be able to show the description of the site. So how to do that one? So then here you have to say meta. These things you have to remember. Meta name is equal to description. Description. Then there you have to say value is equal to. So value is equal to, then the text you have to put. So what is this text? So the here you have to put you have to put some text. Search engine should be able to show the description of the site. The description of the site is where ISE, that this is the thing. So Space Tech is an organization interested in space and technology. Okay, so then you can say here in the description you have to say this part here. Okay, then we will say here. So the official web page for right. Then finally you have to close that part. Okay, right. So then that is that. So then I will save this one, right. So then now carefully see here. Now I have to link. This is common. This part is common for all the question. So you define the head tag and you define the meta character set and you define the search engine part. This is common for everything. Now what I have to do is I have to link my style sheet. So I have to link my style sheet. I'll say here link style sheet. Okay, link style sheet type is equal to text CSS Okay, and we have to say href equal to quotation mark Q0 for finished dot CSS. Okay, and close the tag. Right. That means now the head part is over. Now here, so we have linked the style sheet. Okay. So now we have linked the style sheet. Okay. Right. Then, right. So then that part is that. Now we will move on to the style sheet now. Okay, right. When you see the question, right, then, so this part is okay now. So we are going to use the HTML5 elements. So HTML5 element semantic tags here. We are going to use the fixed layout and you have used the external style sheet. Yes, I have done that part here because you can see here, I have used the external style sheet here. Right. So when you read the question, carefully see here, see this part, background. The background color of the page should be blue. And you see the background color of the page should be blue. So then definitely you know, so what you have to do is, then definitely you know you have to open the body tag. So definitely you know the body tag and background color. They are saying background should be that blue. Okay. So then here they are saying, yeah, the question they are saying background should be blue. Then either you can put it to hex also, you can put. Okay, otherwise if you don't want to put this one blue, so you can put the hex value also, you can put, you can, the value what they're giving, you can put. So that is hash 000 4. Okay. So then click up, send Control S. Right. Now by looking, so now what you do is after this saving this one, just go to your folder, in your folder. So this is my folder. Just open and see. So now here, it is not coming. So if it is not coming, means something wrong here. Now the style should be there. Okay. So, right. Okay. We'll see. So you are given the body background color here. So Q04 finished, you are given the href Q0 finished .css and the background color. Okay. So we'll see href is equal to Q04 finished .css background color. So we'll put some text and see test. Right. So when you put something test only, it will show that color. Okay. Clear? So you understand? So if you don't have anything here, say Control S. Okay. Now it is okay. Now here, something. Okay. Right. Now that means now you can make sure that I think I didn't save that one. Now it's okay. Right. Now, so you have the style sheet is now your style sheet is linked with the this HTML page. Any questions so far now? You are clear? So basically now I have done the basic part. Okay. So I have done the basic part. Now I have connected the uh, Q0 for finished CSS, and now it is got connected. Normally, when you have this question, clearly see here, now they are giving this page, the width is 1000 pixel. You see, banner is this width is 1000 pixel. So here see this width of the page is 1000 pixel. So then what you do is then no, this is a normal standard. We will have a container. Okay, so normally we will have a container. So here I will define a class. I will define a class container. So container, then I will say in the class, I'll say container. Okay, then I'll say width. So width is equal 1000 pixel, and margin auto. Okay, margin auto. Clear? So then what will happen? Now what I do is here in the body part here, my web page should be inside the container. Okay, here div class is equal to what? That container. Okay, then this is the, so here you can see that my web page should be inside this. Okay, container. So that container is I have defined. So inside the container, okay, now I have come to the container. So now first what I have to do? Inside the container, what I have to do now? I have to design the banner page. Okay, I have to design the banner page. So that is 1000 pixel. So then what I have to do? So I will connect, now what I do is I will connect the banner page with this. So I'll say here image. So image source equal to assets, images, banner dot jpg. Okay, and I will put a, yes, yeah. Yes, yes, image can be any format like JPG. Yes, correct. No worry. Yes, correct. You are correct. Very good question. Yes, any P. Yeah, now that's right. Good. Now your question, I will go further. Uh, this you can see here. In my, here they are given the image. Yeah, there's a JPG file. Okay, so JPG file. Okay, you have JPG file. That's why I put JPG here. So if they are given the PNG, then we have to put the PNG file. Yes, thanks for the question. Very good. Okay, so here JPG mean you can put JPG. Yes. Okay. Okay, good. Thank you. You can ask any question like that. Very good. So now here, here alter equal to space text banner. Okay, now this is the image tag. So normally this is the image tag. Okay, now control S here. So I'll put control S here. So what I do is I will reload this page. Right. See now that banner has come. Okay, banner has come here. So now I have linked the banner. Okay, so here. So then what you can do is, okay, for the banner, so now you can see for this banner, they are given some style to us. You see, banner can be image the folder, and you see the banner should be 1000 and 100 pixel. So then what I have to do is, see, here I will put an ID here. So I have to style that one. So I will put ID. I will put ID and I'll say banner here. Okay. Then in the style sheet, I will say hash banner. What I have to say? Width 1000 pixel, height 100 pixel. Okay, right. Then the banner part. So now control is, here I control is. So what I do is I reload this. Okay, then that is done. Right. Then banner part is over. So then banner, after banner, what you have to do? This navigation bar. So navigation bar, then what you do is, so we have to have the navigation bar. Inside the navigation bar, you can see in the navigation bar, say, create the navigation bar as shown in the wireframe, create and style hyperlink to open mass rover HTML. That means, so when I click here, it should open the HTML page, mass rover. So that page should be here. Okay, that page should be, here you can see, that page should be, you see, this page we have to call. So how I am going to do it? So please see here. So anyway, I have to start my navigation class, navigation area. So I will say navigation bar. So navigation. So navigation. Okay, here inside navigation only I have to do it. Okay, right. So navigation, what is the style they have given here? Navigation. Okay, so navigation, create the navigation bar as shown the wireframe. Okay, navigation, the length and width they have given. Yes, navigation should be 1050 pixel. So then I have to do that part now. Okay, navigation. So first we have to do that part. Now I have to style that navigation. So here I have put the navigation here. Then here I have to have a, we'll say we have a class. So navigation class. So navigation class, I have to start. So then width is, you can see the width is 1000 pixel. Width is 1000 pixel. Width is 1000 pixel and height is what? 50 pixel. Height is 50 pixel. Okay, let me now I will see. I'll save this one. Control S. So Control S. I save this. You say Control S. So here also Control S. Then I will again say reload. But I cannot see anything here. Okay, so then what I have to do is, so I will put a background color for the navigation. I will put a background color. So I will say background color. So background color, I will say dark blue. Okay, so this navigation, and here I have to call that class also. So here I will say here in this place. So navigation. So class is equal to navigation main. Okay, navigation main. Okay, so the class name is okay, navigation main. So we'll see what happened here. Control S, and this also Control S.